Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Butters here again with you, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of the seat install. And as you can see, you guys can't really see, but I do have the rear bench in. Had the bottom bench in the last video, but I didn't like the placement of it in the end, so I figured I'd just chop off the last little bit, redo it all in this video. Get this side of the seat moved out, and then we're going to move the other side. There's one side moved. So easy to move. I'm gonna drill both these holes, get both of these ones set in place, get them tightened down and everything, and then we'll do that side. Oh, I'm sorry guys, drilling these holes is actually quite a bit of work, so I'm probably not gonna get the best footage doing this, but it'll give me some. Go get the bad boy mounted up here. I've already got one nut on, tightened down. Now we're gonna try and get the second one. All right. All right. Oh, that thing is tight. Oh, this bit is pooched. Oh, hey, you guys following me down here or what? Didn't think you guys would come down here. Figured you'd just sit in the cab. That's okay. There's throwing a couple bolts on down here. Some washers and lock washers. You name it, we got it. This is just securing that last bit of the seat here. We got a couple holes that we gotta go fill with some silicone. It's just temporary until I get a new cab floor. Like I said, all this is gonna have to be rebolted up to the new floor anyway, because it is not the cleanest of first gens. I will say that, and I'm not trying to make it show truck standard either. I'm just want a truck that I can be proud of, drive around, and know that it's not gonna rust and fucking send me flying in the ditch because something rusted off, right? So yeah. Come on, buddy. Okay, so that's how the sub's gonna fit for now. Shouldn't affect it too much, okay? Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna, we got the speaker mounted here, right on the center console, as you can see. I figured that would give all the passengers kind of a nice even distribution of sound. Now we're gonna get the subwoofer, that's over here. We're gonna get this side of it wired in. Oh guys, that's so much better. Alright y'all, I'm just sitting here editing my video on doing the bench seat part 2, and I realized I didn't film an outro, so I'm sitting here in my fucking ragged ass editing clothes, not really giving a shit. I just wanted to film this quick little outro, so if you guys enjoyed that video at all, please leave a like, comment, hit the subscribe. I don't know why I never can say that right. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. I will be posting more videos now. As I've said in previous videos, I don't need to explain why again. Hit that subscribe button, stick around. See you guys in the next video. Peace!